Welcome back, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, this channel is dedicated to unboxing and reviewing tech. So if you are new to the channel, make sure you guys are subscribing and hitting that bell notification so you guys stay up to date with any videos that I post for you guys so you don't miss out. And today we're going to be taking a look at a Bluetooth speaker I picked up, the JBl Flip 5. And I got this one in white. It does come in 11 different other colors. And I got this white one for $120 at Best Buy. Depending on what color you get, I've seen other colors go for about $100. So prices will vary on the JBLs depending on the color. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and open this guy up. On the back here, it's just letting you know that you do get 12 hours of playtime. We'll test that here shortly. It is IPX waterproof, so this is submergible. It does float, so you can use it in the pool at the beach. And you can pair more JBL 5 Flip speakers to this guy as well with their party boost feature. We'll go into that shortly. Let's see what's in the box. This is a styrofoam case, it looks like. And here you get the speaker. And like I said, I got this in a white. It is very gorgeous. It's a nice color. Like I said, this is not gonna go outside. It's gonna stay in my house. I didn't get it for the outdoors. It is a nice feel. Feels very durable and rugged and good quality. And I like how it's already coming with the lanyard to hold it. Put that to the side. And this, I'm not sure if they did this intentionally, but if this is a carrying case, but it's a nice protective case so you can put your speaker in. So whenever you're taking it somewhere, you don't have to just store it in your backpack or your bag. You got something to protect it. It is very durable as well. So that's a good thing on there, and they did that. Reuse that plastic styrofoam there. And here, so open this up, you get a quick start guide, and right here it shows you like other colors that you are able to get, the app you can download to sync your speaker, the charging, play, just basic instructions, warranty information, and this speaker is USB Type-C charging. Isn't that great? No more of that micro USB like other speakers. Now JBL put the 4.2 Bluetooth on the speaker. I'm not sure why they didn't go with the 5.0 like other newer speakers nowadays. So with that, just means you have a weaker connection. I got to about 50 feet before I had any drops, but that's just straight line of sight. There wasn't any walls or anything in between. So if you add anything like that, any obstacles, it may drop the connection down to a shorter amount. It is also IPX7 rated for waterproof. So it does float. It is submergible, so you can go to the pool, go to the beach. You don't have to worry about it getting wet. All right, let's take a look at the speaker. On the top, you get 4 buttons. You got your play, pause. You got your plus minus volume. You can also skip tracks, previous track with the double press on these guys. This button here is the party boost button that lets you hook up other JBL speakers to have multiple playing at the same time. Only drawback is that you can only hook up other Flip 5 speakers. You're not allowed to hook up any smaller speakers from the JBL family at the time, unless they do some kind of software update on their app that lets you hook them up together. Looking at the back of the speaker, you get your power button, you get your Bluetooth pairing button. Hold that for about 2 to 5 seconds to go into pairing mode. You also get a battery indicator light here. So if you push any of these buttons here, pops up, lets you know how much battery you have. So this is about, I want to say 98. You also get a USB Type-C charging. Now on the Flip 4, you'd have like a little rubber piece that would go covering this guy up, this area, but on the Flip 5 you don't. So if you're going to plan to use this on the beach, hiking, just be mindful. Try not to get this thing sand in there, because it would make it a little bit difficult to make the connection when you want to charge it with debris in there. Also in the Flip 5, you don't have any 3.5 millimeter connection. So it's gonna be straight Bluetooth. I think that's pretty much where everything's going now, like cell phones, and none of those have the headphone jack. Also, you don't have speaker phone on this. So you're gonna have to talk on the phone when you wanna use it. Can't be using this guy for the speakerphone. All right, now time to do the sound test. Now I'm gonna start this at about a 10% and I'm gonna gradually increase it. Now let's try it, submerging it in some water. Hope y'all enjoyed this video of the JBl Flip 5. And remember, if y'all are new to the channel, make sure you guys are subscribing. You're hitting that bell notification so y'all are aware of any time I post up any videos for you. And make sure to leave a comment down below letting me know what kind of tech you guys want to see on the channel. I want to try to at least put out one video a week for y'all. But until then, I'll catch you next time.